Your interior needs to be professionally detailed.
In the old days, cars were mostly fabric. There was very little dust. Interiors were not static charge. In today's modern vehicles, they are static charge. When most people think of cleaning their interior, they only think of vacuuming. Vacuuming is actually the least, and it's the last thing I'll do. I might vacuum up some of the big chunks, but really the main vacuum, just like in your house, you're not going to vacuum then dust, you're going to dust and you're going to vacuum. Having your interior detailed is so much better than you going out in the hot sun or the cold and trying to do it yourself. They give you a vacuum, maybe they have some air, got a couple dry towels. You're not really going to do anything. So, and I showed you the dust and dirt you can see. What about the germs? The germs you're leaving behind that grow. Everyone sheds about 30 to 40,000 skin cells an hour. That's living material. It's going to grow bacteria. Yes, it might be from you, but those germs are going to, let's say, turn into not your germs. They were once yours, and then they're going to eventually become not yours. Here's my point: just have your car detailed. If you like to clean it out every once in a while or whatever, that's fine. But bring it to me to have it detailed, and then don't come back for another year. Keep it clean as often as you want. That's going to be the best way. It needs to be deep clean. Kind of cleaning your interior is not. Listen, I've been doing this a long time. Kind of cleaning your interior is not going to do anything. Removing 10% of the dirt, it's really not worth the hour and a half it took you to do that 10%. Just go ahead and have it professionally detailed.